The new education policies almost come after so many years, and we are really looking forward for greater impact on our education system, which we were looking forward to have it since long. Now, there are few issues with the parents were facing, children were facing, and we all were facing into it, which they have framed it really very well. They have compared with the different countries and how is their framework, and with this they have brought into our country. Now, this section where they have turned it into different sections. Like I would say that 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 system which they have brought. I would like to elaborate that into a deeper way. Like previously, pre-primary section was not that much considered. Like if a child wants to take admission, can directly, if it's 6 years old, he can directly enter to the school system. But now education system has completely brought it, since the child is at the age 3, has been given a chance to go into school. Now this we have the nursery education pattern was there. This way it has made it very good, where the child from 3 years he's been counted. Like same way how we have our Aadhaar card, how we have all the details imprinted into that Aadhaar document type. Same way, the children will be having their own credit to be done since he's aging of class 3. So this way we'll get an idea till the age of his, till he finishes graduation or till he finishes research. What has the child learned? What has the child has been gained? So this will be very good for us to trace the child, like what is the capability of the child. This will really help out to get a good employment, help out to have good people into the education system, and surely the skills will get improved. Again, with the pattern, I would like to discuss where it has been come to class 3, age 3 to 6. Like at this pattern, it is
एक मिनट मत करो आवाज.
yeah, at this pattern, it is totally where the child is not given the burden of writing. It's only activity based learning. At this level, where the child need recognition to be learned, to understand the world at this level of time, they are being introduced with such kind of activity based learning. So it is really very good. Even with class 1 and 2, where the parents had the burden saying that the bag is very heavy, how the child will write the exams, how the child will be able to cope up with so many kind of subjects. Multi languages has been taught, and so much disturbance is going on. Only the child needs to mug up the things and then present. So this has completely now come into change, where the child has been learning since class age 3 to age 8. So that is really very great which they have brought. And then that will be a complete foundation for the child to understand what is schooling, to understand what exactly he will learn into by the environment, by the activity base. After that, when it grows, he will understand exactly the subjects. So he will get a complete idea, like what are the subjects. If he's learning about history, he'll get about the primary knowledge about history, geography, and then he will understand what is his interest of learning. Once he reaches to the class 6 level, he will understand what is his interest, and according to that he gets the subjects, he gets the vocational training, he gets the this vocational training part has been really very good, where the people now, there the differences between only the white collar job or the domestic people work, we had a huge gap between it. We did not give importance to the carpenter, importance to the plumber, but in the foreign countries importance are given to the vocational job people even. So here the unemployment ratio will again be increased, and it like employment ratio would be increased, and people will be able to get more jobs, and nobody will think that this vocational part is a secondary part. This also will be earning. So so people will get a greater option once they get to have. And the school government has planned it very well at this age, where they will give 10 days of internship. Internship is seen for each child goes to do job here. the terms in by practical knowledge. So this way, it is really very good, which I could see into the middle age and the secondary age, where the critical thinking of the child has been increased, ability is been to the subject. Where in another stage that English is only taken as a subject, there I little bit that when the child shifts from one state to another state, then he will face a problem. So this would be a challenge which I feel into this.
Thanks, ma'am.